Hi, I'm Angela Wamola, head of GSMA Africa, and your host for today's Yellow Chair, your link to the African continent. We're here on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly in New York, and there will be a host of meetings this week on the sidelines, presenting an opportunity for us to have meaningful conversations on driving digital adoption in Africa. We want to look at how we can move from unlocking potential to unleashing growth in productivity and efficiency in Africa. With me today on the yellow chairs are two gentlemen, two champions in the driver's seat of Africa, with a passion and a mission for this challenge that we have before us in driving and unlocking potential in Africa. Honourable Minister Bosun, he is the Minister of Communications, Innovation and the Digital Economy for the Republic of Nigeria. Welcome, Dr. Tijani.
Thank you, Angela. Good to be here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We have with us as well the President and CEO of MTN Group, Ralph Mupita. Welcome to the Yellow Chair.
Yeah, thank you. Looking forward to the discussion. Thank you.
So, gentlemen, tell me, what are your personal expectations from this series of meetings that will be hosted here in the discussions that are happening at UNGA 80?
That's an interesting question, Angela. I think my team did some sort of analysis of all the events that we've seen happening, and we were trying to look at the common themes within all these events. And of course, similar to last year, artificial intelligence was on top, featuring quite strongly across the other key thematic area. And that's something that is also of interest to us as a nation as well. Of course, there's conversations around meaningful and affordable connectivity. There's the digital skills element. But in all of this, we find the focus on artificial intelligence really interesting. So we came prepared to be sure that, let's not just keep having these conversations on AI. We need to have conversations on artificial intelligence that truly is meaningful and can add value to what you said in your introduction, which is about productivity. That's one thing that Africa must focus on driving up in our critical sectors.
What about you?
Yeah, look, maybe starting more at the kind of geopolitical level, I guess UN GA80 is quite at an important inflection point in terms of where the globe is more generally. So keen to understand, the conversations that happen at General Assembly. But similar to the minister, to me, the most interesting conversations about AI and how Africa remains engaged in the discussions and participates meaningfully, not to be on the sidelines and watching kind of the global north develop and we stay behind. One of the big paranoia issues I always say to my team is we mustn't become a digital underclass as Africans, and so we must be in the rooms, be at the table, be in the conversations, and be in the situations where we architect our future, and including So I join the minister in saying that's something I'm looking forward to in the next couple of days.